Hey, if you've ever scrolled through Instagram and thought, wow, people are making money just by posting reviews and content, but I don't want to show my face or spend hours editing videos, then stick around. Because today, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners can start affiliate marketing on Instagram, even faceless, using a powerful tool called Super Affiliate AI. Here's the truth. Instagram is one of the fastest growing platforms for affiliate marketing. But most beginners hit the same roadblocks. They don't know what products to promote. They don't have time to create daily content. They're shy about being on camera. And they struggle to get consistent traffic. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. And the good news is, you don't need to be an influencer with thousands of followers to make this work. That's where Super Affiliate AI comes in. Imagine having a system that finds trending products for you, writes review scripts, creates faceless videos, designs thumbnails, optimizes for SEO, and even posts directly to Instagram Reels, all on autopilot. Instead of spending hours filming and editing, you let AI handle the heavy lifting. You just choose your niche, connect your Instagram account, and watch as content gets published daily. Let me break it down into simple steps so you can see how easy this is. Step 1. Pick a niche. Think about categories people love on Instagram: fitness, beauty, gadgets, or even digital tools. Super Affiliate AI scans marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus to find products already in demand. Step 2. Generate faceless review content. No camera, no script writing. The AI creates dual voice reviews that sound natural, adds captions, music, and visuals, and formats them perfectly for Instagram Reels. Step 3. Publish consistently. Instagram rewards accounts that post regularly. With Auto Mode, Super Affiliate AI uploads fresh content daily, something most beginners could never keep up with manually. Step 4. Add affiliate links. Each video includes your affiliate link. When viewers click and buy, you earn commissions. Simple as that. And this isn't just theory. Beginners are already seeing results. A college student set up her channel, went to class, and came back to 47 review videos published automatically. A stay-at-home mom earned over $1,200 in 6 weeks promoting ClickBank products without filming a single video. Even a truck driver with zero tech skills made nearly $900 in commissions last month. If they can do it, so can you. Here's why this strategy is so powerful. Instagram Reels are exploding with discovery traffic. People don't need to follow you to see your content. Faceless videos remove the biggest barrier. You don't need confidence on camera. Automation means you can scale multiple niches at once. Imagine running 3 different Instagram accounts, all posting daily without lifting a finger. Now, you might be thinking, but what if the AI content looks generic? That's the beauty of Super Affiliate AI. It creates dynamic, two-voice reviews that feel authentic, not robotic. Plus, you can tweak scripts or thumbnails if you want more personality. Or maybe you're worried, what if I don't get traffic? That's why the system includes SEO optimization and Review Hub mini sites that rank on Google. You're not just relying on Instagram's algorithm, you're building multiple traffic streams. So here's the bottom line. Affiliate marketing on Instagram doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need followers, you don't need to be on camera, and you don't need to spend hours editing. With Super Affiliate AI, beginners can launch faceless affiliate review channels that publish daily, attract traffic, and generate commissions, all while you live your life. If you're ready to start, click the link below, grab your license, and let the AI agents do the work for you. Remember, every day you wait, someone else is posting reviews in your niche and collecting commissions that could have been yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips, and drop a comment if you're excited to try faceless Instagram marketing. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and let AI work smarter for you.